Hi, Pat Nolan and Caleb. Caleb is a 6.5, 6-month-old Malinois pup. That was our track layer in the white shirt. Went straight through. Here's a cross track layer once, twice. I think she crosses 5 times. 4, 5. I sped up those tracks. The track layer went first. The cross track is fresher. We've just started working on purposely laying cross tracks for him. Start him on a scent article. You can see he's struggling there some. To go, he's ready to go. And off we go. Cross track comes in right there.
Track starts there. First one comes
Checked
in.
it head up. Little head high here, confusion some. I thought at first he was just tracking the cross tracks, but he's checking sort of back and forth.
Wagon on the cross tracks here.
I believe he's right on the cross tracks. Wasn't entirely happy with that, but he was not confused. The cross track went off to our left there. May have been some airborne scent blown across, maybe not. But he is working the main track, the correct track here now. He was not pulled off by the cross tracks. It's a head camera, it's a little jiggly there. This leg is downwind now, or actually upwind. Now he's tracking into the wind. I thought the leg was going to end somewhere along here, and maybe the track layer tried to hide, I don't know. Checks a couple spots and keeps going. Breaks out of the woods into some bare dirt. Doesn't track well across the bare dirt. Maybe he's trailing across the dirt. Picks it up pretty nice in there. And away we go. Right to a good find. Worked out the cross tracks nicely.
Very good.